Have you ever wondered if Tangerine Bank, that popular online-only financial institution, is available to you if you live in the beautiful province of Quebec? Well, let's dive into that question today. Before we get to the nitty-gritty, let's take a quick look at what Tangerine Bank is all about. It's a Canadian bank that's known for its online-only approach, meaning there are no physical branches. This model has attracted a lot of customers who appreciate the convenience and potential savings that come with it. Now, back to our original question, is Tangerine Bank available in Quebec? The short answer is, drumroll please, yes, it is. Tangerine Bank does indeed serve customers in Quebec. Why is this important to know? Accessibility. If you live in Quebec, knowing that Tangerine Bank is available to you means you have another option for your banking needs. Potential savings. Tangerine Bank is often praised for its competitive interest rates on savings accounts and GICs. Convenience. The online-only model can be a huge convenience, especially if you prefer to manage your finances from the comfort of your home. What can you expect from Tangerine Bank? A wide range of financial products, from checking and savings accounts to mortgages and investments, Tangerine has a lot to offer. No monthly fees. One of the biggest draws of Tangerine is that it doesn't charge monthly fees for its checking accounts. Excellent customer service. Tangerine is known for its friendly and helpful customer service. Is there anything to watch out for? While Tangerine Bank offers many benefits, it's important to be aware of a few things. No physical branches. If you prefer to deal with a bank teller in person, Tangerine might not be the best choice for you. Limited ATM network. Tangerine has its own ATM network, but it's not as extensive as some of the larger banks. So, there you have it. Tangerine Bank is indeed available to customers in Quebec. If you're looking for a convenient, online-only bank with competitive rates, Tangerine could be a great option. However, it's important to consider your personal banking needs and preferences before making a decision. Want to learn more about Tangerine Bank and see if it's the right fit for you? Check out their website or give them a call. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.